No!
It hasn't gone to plan and it's not as easy as I remember.
A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Woo! Do you know what? I panicked like a nutter this morning. I hadn't set my alarm properly. Got up and went, no, I'm going to be late. So I did whatever I do before I come out here. Prep breakfast, basically. Got dressed, made my coffee, came out. I went, on time, look. That's not bad, is it? There we go, look. It's my little engine stands. I added an extra bit of wood and drilled a hole so I can hang them on the wall. That's probably not where I'm going to keep them. There you go, there's an extra. This is a tool that won't make it to the, this is the tool series, but it is a tool. Basically just plywood, isn't it? And 2 blocks of wood. And then I can have a proper look at the crank. And that's my task for this morning. So anyway, what are you up to this morning? More importantly, what am I watching on YouTube? I'm only watching Pocket Rocket Garage.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining me, Kevin, and my Rover Mini Cooper Sports Pack.
My pleasure, sir.
Rusty. Today
Rusty,
is the day you've all been waiting for. It's the first day of grinding and welding.
Woohoo!
Remove the ECU from the engine bay. I can
Why is
put
that?
that to one side. That is all safe now.
Can you damage your ECU
I'm going to
by
take
doing
you
all that?
straight away. Let's get going. I'm going to take you straight away over to the welding bay.
The only reason I say that is I've never had a Mini with a ECU before.
Just had a knock at the door. Mini Spares delivery.
Whoop, whoop.
Let's get it open.
Don't
Take
you
a look.
love a delivery from Mini Spares? Right, enjoy your Tuesday. Let's crack on. Oh, a new battery box.
Well, that looks a lot better than the last one. Let's just have a quick compare. Just a slight difference between these two. Let's go back over to the welding bay now that the delivery's here and have a look. See if it fits. You can't see me, but I'm sure you can hear me. Let's see if the new battery box fits. Here we go. No, it doesn't fit.
Oh no.
Huge gap around that side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up all the edge, get all that repaired, and then I'll assess and address the battery box itself to see if I can get that fitted nicely. Before I can look.
Don't think I've ever seen you without your cap on.
No, that doesn't fit.
Oh, maybe we
While
have.
I'm welding, I'll try and do a mixture of normal speed filming and a bit of time lapse, because everyone loves a time lapse video on YouTube.
Yeah.
Here's something, that is where this video is going to end, I'm afraid.
No.
It hasn't gone to plan and it's not as easy as I remember. Sorry to disappoint everyone, but these things happen. I wanted to be brutally honest, and of course, please subscribe to the channel if you can, and in the next video, you'll see some decent welding. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Love your content, mate. Well done. Right, on that bombshell, I'm actually going to change my plan. Look, there we go. So crank's out, and I'm not organised to start measuring it and stuff, so I'm not going to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep stripping the block down. So I think it makes sense to take the cam out, oil pump off, and obviously the distributor housing. drive rather. And apart from, you know, oil pressure valve and core plugs, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to crack on with that. Hope you don't mind. So I've been chatting with my engine building mates, and although there's no real rush to get Dirk Diggler repaired, there's actually no point in me just having a block kicking around, so I'm going to start accumulating and gathering parts for it. Oh yeah, they need redoing. Oh yeah. So what cam is that? What cam is it? How do I know what cam that is? It's obviously not an aftermarket one. Yeah. Stick that in the pile. Can you see that? That's pretty pitted, isn't it? Scored up. Oh, where's the front now? Now I've got no crank in there. I can't remember which is the front and which is the back. Which is the front? There you go, water pump. That's the front. Come on, magnet. Do your thing. Is it worth keeping them in order? Is it worth it? I suppose it is to a certain extent, isn't it? Give me 5 minutes, hang on. Okay, I'm probably never going to use those cam followers again. It would make a good ammo belt, wouldn't it, for a fancy dress at an IMM, if ever it was cowboys and Indians or something. Oh no, cowboys and Indians, I'm sure was Ireland, wasn't it? I've got in one of the other engines, I've got the, you know, the one where you have a ball bearing. Is that a good thing? Did I up, you know, at the time I was thinking, well, it's an upgrade. Is it really an upgrade? Or is it just one of those, is it a fad upgrade? Got that one there, haven't I? And what I mean by, you know, a fad upgrade, well, not necessarily a fad upgrade. What am I trying to say, Kev? You know, when people make modifications or do modifications or whatever, because it's cool. I do like my stud removing tools. They're not perfect because I don't know if you know how they work, but they've got these little wheels in there, and as you turn them, they grip hold of the stud. They can damage the thread. So there you go. Can you see how that's just gacked that just a little bit there and there? Look. So they're certainly not perfect. I don't think it's enough. You know, I've never had it where it's buggered the thread up, but I suppose I don't know. Apart from the 2 nut trick, there's not really another way of doing it, unless you know of another trick. Well, there we go. As far as I can tell, apart from that, like that one there, they need drilling out, don't they? I've got 5 minutes before I need to pack up for breakfast. So, and on that bombshell, shit. Almost said a rude word then. On that bombshell, I will see you on Wednesday. Have a nice day.